said don't get caught up in the drama, that's some weak shit. I ain't seen the sun inside this room in like a week, shit. You won't catch no change in my expression for the weakness. I don't catch no break for 7 days, what's a weekend? My delusion's all I need.
Hello. Today I am going to be trying on every single piece of clothing that I own, except for sweatpants, sportswear, swimsuits, hoodies, because I have a lot of like just ugly hoodies that I wear to school. So I won't show you guys that, but the rest I will. I have a lot of clothing that I just don't wear. So this is why I'm doing this video, because at the same time I'm going to be cleaning out my entire closet. And I already started, and this is what it looks like. Empty. There's always a bunch of clothes hung there, and this is full usually. Oh, by the way, this heart chain is from En Route. I really like their jewelry, so I'll link it down below if you guys are interested in buying some of their jewelry. Also, I'm gonna go through my coats. This is kind of all over the place for the moment. Literally look at all my clothes. They're all on my bed. Oh my god. Like, this is actually absurd, the amount of clothing that I have. Okay.
Jumping out the whip, shit cold. Watching my step ground froze. Most my days spent alone. Same with my bro, he knows. Ay, gotta pay dues. Walking in mud, you can check my shoes. Tryna bite this, might chip your tooth. Tryna come with you, fake no room. When I made that deal, they should go and pay bills. Time be on my ass, but I pull a stunt like Copperfield. Wanna see Holly's hills, that bitch got heat for real. Sad looking past the windowsill, I've been thinking about the same shit still. Gonna hit the I-5, it won't be no shock. I've been planning for a while now, no sign tell me stop. One day we gon' climb your top 5, grow it every drop. All night you just wanna get high, next day you forgot. Thought I told you that this my niche. Play my role, what you hold, little boy best don't reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved, I just saw and reap. With that ease, hella clean, rips all on your knees. That's that work when you hurt, my head full of steam. I got lucid dreams, I make movie scenes. This not new to me, Greek gon' kill I scream. Ego my enemy, my heat got entropy. It's all just chemistry. Lemonade sipping, I was in class tryna get my wishes. Dirt on my plate so I had to clean dishes. Knew that I'ma do this, I just had that feeling. You ain't gon' live like me, these heights be too frightening. Their opinion be too trifling. Don't like love, only do the flings. I think she the one, she the one, she the one for me. She the one, she the one, she the one I need. Then I think fuck that bitch, I just wanna fuck, gotta scratch that itch. Only 19, love don't make no sense. I don't wanna ask where all my time went. This my niche, play my role, what you hold, little boy best don't reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved, I just saw and reap. With that ease, hella clean, rips all on your knees. That's that work when you hurt, my head full of steam. I got lucid dreams.
And tears breaking, so it's like not tight anymore, but cute.
It's all just chemistry. Gonna hit the I-5, it won't be no shock. I've been planning for a while now, no sign tell me stop. One day we gon' climb your top 5, grow it every drop. All night you just wanna get high, next day you forgot. Thought I told you that this my niche. Play my role, what you hold, little boy best don't reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved, I just saw and reap. With that ease, hella clean, rips all on your knees. That's that work when you too special. Drunk to the bone when I met you. I don't give a fuck who the next dude. I don't really see no issues with it. Just one of those nights when you want my back. I don't want no love, you can have that back. I just want that peace of mind, throw it back one time. Up on me like that, I be out my mind. Yeah, no love, no love, no love in the bar. For this shit, some be beaming, body weak, and I'm just leaking when I'm hits. Full of envy, why they staring and they reeking cause they pissed. Moving selfish, we ain't sharing, can't be tweaking off no bitch. Screaming beast that go dumb, I be retarded with the pics. Lines punching on target with no shopping, be a bitch. And she taking by the fit, bacon burning so I'm crisp. Why I sell, be the smell the sauce simple when it drip. Like the water, I need me some guala. I see me go IED, no Ivy League can't bother. Sorry mama, I don't fit in honors. Nagging me 100 times, this is still the product, so I just wanna pop it off, jump in the whip with sevens up. Feelings like some soda, I prefer to keep it bottled up. Nobody can copy us, I put in work way too much. Go mind your business like the witness we all knew you was. And we ain't getting younger, so let's get this fucking money. No, it's getting runny, sick of all them fools above me. It ain't funny, spend my pennies wise, counting ain't gon' help me. You keep all that drama while I keep my mental healthy. Staying moving on my solo, fishing like the logo. Climbing a cliff like Frodo, hope the top sweet like a Rolo. Only child, but I got my brothers tatted on me. They the ones who have it with me. When we see a bag, they the ones who grab it with me. I'ma go get what's mine, they be like way behind. Coming in hot, doing my job, you ain't gon' waste my life. On my business vibe, cutthroats not cutting ties. I feel the stellar life just better when you come to mind. Might just go drop like 30.
This is the aftermath. I also kind of figured out what I want to sell or give away, so that's good. Bed completely empty, thank God. These are all the pieces that I chose to sell. Whoops, okay, wait. Go here. This is basically my pajamas. Basically what I do when I don't like clothes anymore, I just transform them into pajamas, but as you see I have way too many, so I'm gonna have to go through that next. So I'm not done, I still
push out the box, you a scrub, call me Mr. Clean.
It's a mess. And then down here I have my bag collection, and I have this area where I just like hang bags and stuff. For the clothing part, right here I have all my sportswear, my bathing suits, socks. Then I have my pants. So here I have leggings, sweats, and then my dressier pants. So that's a weird way of organizing it, but that's just how it is. I have all my blue jeans, black, gray jeans, and white jeans and pants. I'm like out of breath. I have my underwear, my belts, more underwear and like bralettes and hats. I've got my skirts, shorts, tank tops, colorful shirts, I guess. These are colorful shirts too. Black shirts, sweaters up here. Then here I have like my tube tops and my corset tops, I guess. And then I have like scarves, hats, and headbands. Here I have my winter coats. So I've got like some bags, all my hand clothing. These two are like sentimental. This is my prom dress from 6th grade that I'm never gonna throw away, and this is something I bought in Italy, and I don't know, just I can't seem to get rid of it even though I never wear it, so I'm gonna keep it for now. Then I have dresses, rompers, whatever here, jackets, cardigans. Then I have my tops, the only skirt I hang, and then I have jackets, sweatshirts, whatever, and my Habs shirt. Of course, it's PK Subban, which is sad. I did it.
Expression for the weakness. I don't catch no break for 7 days. What's a weekend? My delusion's all I need. Needing you to leave me be. Swear to God they all gon' see. When we pull up in that ESV, I won't do this shit calmly. Fuck they little arties. Big drive can't off me. Big talk speak softly. These nights get costly. My bros they got me. No man gon' boss me. Son fall back, we offspring. I cannot check my size, no way. They ain't even in my space. Lil' bitch mad and get his way. Tell the boy it's okay. Moves in a little bitch oscillate. He just in the face. Always stay draped in the fear of God. Why you so afraid?